Before adjusting the disc brakes, you'll need the hex key set. Ensure the barrel adjuster at the top is twisted all the way in. You have another down here. Make sure that that's tight all the way too. Then, loosen the cable so it's slack and you can see it's running freely. Pull the brake and do the 2 caliper bolts like so. Ensure the caliper is loose. Then hold the brake on and tighten the screws back in. This works for some but not for others. If it's worked, great. If not, another way of aligning them up if you're struggling to see down the centre is putting a piece of paper behind it. This will help you see through the pads. Most mechanical calipers pull from one side only, so you want the side that doesn't move as close to the disc as possible without touching. And then the other pad moves. Once that's done, tighten that up like so. Make sure the brake works. This process is the same for both the front and rear brakes, and once complete, you're good to go. For more information on your disc brakes, pop into your local Halfords where a member of the team will be happy to help. We can even help you adjust them for a small service fee.